This boat is a new Sea Ray model, the 270 SDX surf model, which is powered by a Mercruiser 350 horsepower V8 coupled to a Bravo 4 outdrive. The Bravo 4 outdrive has the forward-facing propellers, twin stainless steel counter-rotating forward-facing propellers. As you see, it has the white power tower with a bimini top along with covers for the bow and cockpit areas. This boat has a premium stereo upgrade with stereo speakers mounted to the power tower. It has docking lights, the RGB red, green, blue cockpit lighting, and underwater lighting. It has sea deck on the swim platform and sea deck inside the cockpit. It also has the electric anchor windlass with a stainless steel anchor, and there are two teakwood tables, a teak bow table and a teak cockpit table. The boat is on display now at MarineMax on Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. I'm Larry Morgan. Thank you.